hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
See place here. This is the place I'm showing you. This is not a scamming. This is real. In a real life. This is real. In real life, I'm not doing any scamming. So the person who are doing this, tell them they can't stop me. Because I don't have my thing. I link up clear of England. And all of my people, them America, Susan, all them people that will help me, will know me. Will know me at Jamaica, and know me place, and know how we stay. Right? So this couldn't be a scamming. So anybody who's trying to stop me, tell them so they can't stop me. Because I done in the links already, and I get a little help, but I need some more. Right? So NEWLINKs, this is not a scamming. This is just a bad mind thing. People are trying to stop me thing. Yeah. But tell them they can't stop me thing. Because my links are already out there and I'm doing it. You understand? These people who are fighting with their mommies, it's not me make them not better off in a life, and if they love me, tell them to love me. You understand? And stop program me. Because they can't walk in my shoes. Oh, and if you love me, I don't want to be rude. I want to send you a nice video. I hate this.
Rough people,
the links.
And a joke thing, it's rough.
Tell them say me die hard already and me die broad and they can't stop me. Because the links me name. Right? So anybody that try to fight me, tell them to love me dog. Because me think loud. They grudge me because me nice. Mind you break down there, so mind you step through the floor, don't walk there. I choose me nice and them a fight me and me make them not pretty. Them feel love me. Because me think loud and road. Yeah.
Bless up my people. Big up on yourself. I don't know the thing, man. Don't know so the attacking boss there in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So viewers and subscribers, we understand the year she attack and she attack about the scamming and whatever. She's not a scammer and thing, and why she really talk about that, people? I'm gonna be honest to you. If Arlo never saw a video that I did uploaded a couple of weeks ago, you understand, with this same lady seeking help, seeking assistance with the same place, people. And in the comment section of that video, people message me and I say, yo, it's like a scamming thing and this and that, people. And I do a lot of checks, people, not joke thing. I do a lot of checks, you understand. And if in any way I found out anybody was trying to use my program or my platform to do scamming people, I will definitely not broadcast them. And that's why I tell you, before anyone who asks NEWLINK or seek help from me, a lot of people tried, people, you understand, and when we can't get certain details or certain things, I would never cover a story on them. I will never put out a video with them. Never. That's not me. That's not how I got to work, people. And this lady, Ruby, people, she's from Portland. She messaged me several times after the first video I did on people and something, and I said she nah get no help or nobody nah help her, and based on the fact where people been leaving the comment section and saying this and saying that, you understand, and people doing my necessary checks, people. She do need help, she do need assistance. And I understand, people, where we're gonna say what about the MPs, the member of parliament, the government and this. But if you check the ratio and the statistics in Jamaica, there is several persons out there, people, and what they have to seek to get help is not from the government, you know, people. It's the media. Just like Eva, the blind man who you say publicized from the Gleaner, and it's the Gleaner who comes about highlighted this blind man story about his roof, people. And now you see just in a couple of days, someone from the United States has donated and comes about and fix up the roof and, you know, helping out this family, this blind couple. So in the end, people, when this is somebody who wants, and, you know, they seek of getting help instead of say line up man and go thief and go rob. And this is a China man, people. You get me? I say it's a woman who hustle. And as a elder lady in the place, she also people them say she have a local thing where she look a star like where she hustle and thing, but deep inside people, the house fell down. That's our house there. It fell down and it's a serious thing. You understand, people? And when me tell people anytime, you know, just when me I do nothing, people, I do it from a heart. See? When me I do nothing, I give anybody anything, I talk to the Almighty. And me knows, me say, God, I'm giving this to this person because this person say they need help for this. So with me and my God, God know what me give them help for, because, you know what I mean? Me tell God the reason, and God understand what me do. If the person want to take it and tell liar do this, it's up to them. But me I do things with my Almighty God up above. You understand, the Creator. So in the process, people, me not force nobody to say, yo, help no one. But deep inside, if you can and assist this lady, please do. I'm asking you, I'm begging you. You understand? I'm going to leave her number in the description. I'm also going to write the number on the video as well, people, so you can see the number on the video. You understand? Displayed on the video. Check in the description, same way. And if you can call her and assist her, even if you can call her, people, talk to her. If you can call her and have anybody in Portland where she live, when she tell her address and you want to let them go check, you can do that also, because this is a real thing, people, and it's serious thing. And it pains my heart for know how people evil us sometimes. You understand? I see where young people link me and say, NEWLINK, you know, say my house burned down, my 2-bedroom burned down. So I said to them, so right, you can't say it, you know, you can't tell me, but I can't just go tell the public, say you can, you know, say somebody have a 2-bedroom house and it burned down and they need help. I say, I can't do that. I say, look here, all you do, create a video, show the house burned down, you have family there, show your family them, and show the surroundings, you understand, and then send it to me now, and from there now I can do my necessary checks that I need to be done, and then I can publicize it. So I'm not gonna let nobody just come tell me, NEWLINK, me need help. People, anybody reach out to me, I do checks. Just let me tell them that. And that's why nobody can say, NEWLINK, you know, say you do this something, and then you know, say the person that did that tell a liar, the person that did a fake and something there. And that's why I'm saying to people, my Sona Part of Secures channel, you understand, is a channel where I adapt to, and is a part where I try to become a part of the team with them. And that's why I encourage my followers to look at, please follow me Sona Part of Secures. And every video when I telling people say follow her, I always leave a link in the description. I'm asking just click on the link and follow her. I share it in my community and I beg on the people. You understand, these are things that we are taught about. When I say people are help, and I give back to the less fortunate the people, we have to support them. We do things from our heart because people, listen to me, we could have all of the vanity on earth, the car, the house, everything. You understand? But nothing great and better than a precious soul. You understand, that a clean heart and a clean soul. Because at the end of the day, you know, the Almighty up above, you know, Him is the Creator, and that's how we are work towards. No matter how you see the hype celebrity them, you understand, look lavish, drive the big Benz, build the big mansion, full of and look so lavish and at diamonds and gold. What is that? That is nothing. Remember me, that are nothing, people. Because at the end of the day, we there upon earth for a short time, and when we're gone, all of these lavish things that we have, we can't carry it with we? No. But we are thinking about the new kingdom to come. But some people maybe are things, so when I hear listening, you hear about hell and you hear about fire and people are going to burn up down. You know, so now I think when I say, yeah, when I did this guy, not that people think that, no, listen up about someone. Follow the Bible, yeah? Because we live on earth to see there is several things in the Bible we are come to fulfill right now in the present. I mean, even I come with the preaching thing because sometimes the spirit does slip me, but I can tell them people, if you can help a brother, help a sister, please help them. Please. You understand? And remember, people, my Sona Part of Secure channel, they have a competition right now, which I'm a part of the competition. It's a big thing going on, people, because also the wing spread whole of Jamaica, Africa, and them place there. So right now, them have some gift I give away, and them say who can get the most subscribers over there, and people honest more on that gift there. That's the truth. So I'll leave the channel link again in the description, people. I beg you now, go subscribe over there and just write a NEWLINK sent in. So every time them check the tally and them say NEWLINK send them panda video, the people they count it and say, so me can get my gift. So you know, can't give me a gift for Christmas, give me that gift there. Please, I beg you now. Big up on yourself, people, and please help out Miss Ruby. You can, please do. Me I beg you now. Attacking boss so that. Me I beg you now. Please out. Respect. Be good and be great and be safe. I'm out.